Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Movie Studio 16 Platinum tutorial on adding birds to your video clip. Now, if I'm talking too fast or it sounds like I'm mumbling, there's a little card in the upper right-hand corner that will pop up with a link to a video explaining why I talk like this. So let's get started. So first of all, let's do this the easy way. Highlight, holding the control key down, highlight each one of these tracks, press the delete key, get rid of them. It's going to make your editing a lot easier. Here we have some video clip of a pump jack I took about a week ago. Add that to the timeline. This is mute audio. Let's insert, right click, insert video track. And here's the Productioncrate asset. Now I'm going to put a link to Productioncrate at the bottom description of this video. This is a free download. It's birds flying by. It's a real cool effect. And they have so many different assets on their site. Music, sound effects, video effects, all kinds of stuff. It's really cool, the stuff they have. I've been using their service for 3 or 4 years now. So Productioncrate is an awesome service to have. It's free. And if you decide to join, it's a very inexpensive yearly fee they charge you to join. And if you join, you get access. You get a lot more access to assets that you can't get free downloads. But that's another story here. Let's just get into this tutorial. So let's drag it to the timeline. Now to make this work, left click and right click. Go to, oops, I screwed up there. Right click, go to properties, go to media, go to alpha channel, select straight unmattered. Now when you play this back, watch what happens here. You see the birds go across, but they're too low. So we can go higher. So go event pan and crop. Drag this in. Make it a little larger. And drag it to the bottom. We'll bring it up higher in the video. Now play it back and we'll see something like this. Zoom in higher. So it's just a cool effect. They have so many different effects at Productioncrate. You really can't go wrong joining up. It's a free download and it's free to sign up. If you decide to get the pro membership, which I have, I think it's I think they raised it to $69 a year now. It used to be $49, but I think it's $69 a year now. They raised it to, but it's still worth it because you get so many assets to music, sound effects, video effects, all kinds of stuff you can add to your videos to spice them up and make them look more appealing. And adding special effects, like if you want to make the video more interesting, adding birds into it. There's so many different things you can do with Productioncrate. So I just want to pass along this quick tip to you about Productioncrate and their services. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.